Hello, teacher friends! So, I've been getting a lot of questions about my lights lately, and today I actually got my new light bulbs in. So, I'm going to show you this. This is my daylight lights, and I do have a window in here, but this is the kind of lighting that you want for your classroom. So, and I'm also going to try to insert some clips of what my classroom looked like with the other lights. So this is where it's at, you guys. It doesn't hurt my eyes. I'm going to turn the computer around and show you what they look like. And this is the camera that I teach from. It's just a matte camera. It's not great, but with this lighting, you don't want to look intimidating. You want them to be able to see, and now they don't see. Their screen is a little more narrow, so they don't see all of below here. They don't see this side. And they don't see this. But this lighting is what you want. So for $40, it is an amazing investment. Changed my classroom 100%. So let's turn around and show you what they look like. It's going to be really bright, but these are the two lights, and they are just umbrella lights, so you can break them down and store them easily. So this can adjust. You can bring it up and down just by unscrewing that. You can bring the light further from the umbrella for a little softer light, and then you can adjust the height. It's really awesome. These are just little professional studio lights. Super duper bright too. I'm gonna turn on for you. Woo! So this is the lighting that I've been teaching with the last week or so. There's one bulb that is just from a random light in my house, in my umbrella lights, and then the other umbrella light is the original bulb, but it's getting old, so it's starting to flicker and dim. So here's this light. These lights come in twos. They come in a pair, so they are fantastic. And so if you are just starting out, you don't need to go buy these lights. Heavens no. You can do it with bulbs. You have to have a lot of light though, and you want your light to come from in front of you on the sides here and directly in front of you. But if you use bare bulbs, it will burn your eyes. I didn't understand why my eyes were hurting so bad. And now these are bright. I have the lights pretty close to the umbrella. So after a while, this is bright as well. But I like my classroom bright. So if you want these lights, they're the Francier Studio lights on Amazon. The link is below. If you use my link, eventually I might earn some money from it, and I appreciate it. And it's just easy. You just click on it, and I really recommend these. And this is my lighting. I'm so happy. This is happy lighting, you guys. Thank you for watching. Happy teaching.